What's up, guys? I haven't done a video in a while. Mainly because if I sound weird, it's because I just had surgery on my throat last Thursday. Had my tonsils and adenoids removed, and so I haven't been making a video because I was told I'm not supposed to be doing anything. I'm supposed to be on bed rest. But today I went and checked our mailbox, and there were some parts in there, and I'm pretty sure they are for the Chevy. So I'm gonna open those up real quick and see what they are. First one is all new plug wires for Chevy, because as y'all know, it was misfiring, and then I believe that's the part number right there. So if you need plug wires for a 5.3 Chevy motor, 1500, that's it. And then this other one, see what it is. And as I thought, these are the new plugs, the older plugs and wires. I think I paid $20 for these eight, and then like $21 for the plug wires, and then part number. There's the stock number. Stock number. There's, I think, the spark plug number. But anyways, probably won't be putting those on for a while because, like I said, I'm supposed to be on bed rest and not supposed to be doing anything. The Chevy isn't currently here anyways. It's at the shop because I sold the body lift off of it, and I haven't gotten stock bolts yet to bolt the cab and stuff back down. So I just parked it over there, and I'm hoping to pick up some type of project to work on soon. Whether if it's a four-wheeler, which I'm pretty sure it's going to be, or a truck, which I'm hoping to buy a truck because I want to get into working on trucks and cars and flipping them. But if it's another four-wheeler, that's okay because I've done a lot of those and it doesn't bother me much to do more of them. So I know today was a short video, but if you liked the video, drop a comment down below, smash that like button, and have a good day.